Is your dryer been taking forever to dry your clothes lately, or your wife is complaining that it's not efficient anymore? This might be the reason why lint buildup in the dryer vent isn't just annoying, it can actually be a serious fire hazard. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm checking out a simple little tool that can save you time, save you money, and honestly might even help prevent house fire. And I'm not gonna lie, I didn't even know something like this existed until I got one. It's actually pretty cheap too, around $12.99 US, and even comes with a long lint brush. So what I've got here is the Sealegend dryer vent cleaner attachment. It connects straight to your vacuum, any type of vacuum you have, and lets you reach deep inside the vent to pull out all that hidden lint. Most people clean the lint trap, right? But what a lot of us forget, again, just like myself, is the inside of the dryer and the vent hose. Over time, lint builds up deep inside and blocks airflows, and when that happens, you get longer drying times, higher electricity bills, and yeah, a higher risk of fire. Just to show you here, the lint brush is 21 inches long and the hose is 30 inches, so you've got plenty of reach to clean out any lint buildup. So let's head over to the laundry room and try it out and see how much lint we can actually pull from the dryer. Our dryer is only about a year old, but my wife has already noticed it's not drying as efficiently as before. I don't think it's the dryer itself. I'm pretty sure it's the lint buildup somewhere. Just so you can see, my vacuum is empty. I've already cleaned the flexible hose behind the dryer. I left the lint screen compartment dirty to show you how useful this Sealegend flexible hose attachment is. Let's find out how much lint has accumulated over just 1 year of use. And after that, I will head outside and check the vent as well. We're not getting that much, but without the extension hose attachment, for sure I wouldn't be able to reach this lint. And we haven't even used the lint brush yet, so let's go ahead and try that next. So we get even more lint. Let me show you the inside of the lint compartment. You can see there's quite a bit of buildup along the sidewalls, and that's where the lint brush really comes in handy. I will finish cleaning this up and then head outside to check the vents as well. And I just realized this lint brush is way more useful than I thought. I can actually use it to get rid of the dust buildup between the wall and the dryer, so this is pretty awesome. Oh wow, I didn't even realize that the cover comes off, probably because of all the lint buildup. And look how much lint was in there, even on the vent hood. Honestly, if I hadn't gotten this attachment, I probably wouldn't have thought to come out here and check. So I'm going to clean that up first. I'm going to vacuum it. Alright, the hood looks clean enough, and let's check the inside. Wow, look at how thick that buildup is. Okay, let's use the Sealegend attachment to pull that lint out. Look at how much lint I've pulled out. The vacuum is almost full. That was definitely restricting airflow when using the dryer. I'm going to empty the vacuum now because it's starting to lose suction now that it's so full. And there we go. It already looks a lot better. It's yeah, I mean, it's not perfectly clean, but I also used the lint brush, and you can see that lint forming into little balls. I pulled out that as well. I was a bit worried about cleaning the lint brush, but it's actually pretty easy. I just keep tapping it against the garbage bin and most of the lint came off. And of course, if there's some hair tangled in it, that's a bit different. And besides cleaning the dryer vent, I also use it on the furnace vent around the house to clear out whatever gets in there. Overall, this kind of tool is really useful and versatile. I also like that it comes with a plastic holder, which make it easy to store after use. Same with the lint brush, there is a hole in the handle to hang it. So that is the Sealegend Vacuum Attachment with a lint brush, around $12 or about $24 on Amazon Canada. You really can't go wrong with a simple but versatile tool like this. If you're interested, I'll drop the link in the description below. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.